What's up, y'all? It's your girl Kasey, and I'm back again with another video, and this is gonna be a mini like HomeGoods haul because as you see, this wall is bare and I want to film YouTube videos right here, and I can't because I don't have anything on this wall, and this is blank as well. So we went to TJMaxx and got some, HomeGoods, and got some stuff. And I always say TJMaxx because I worked at TJMaxx when I was in high school and in college. So TJMaxx, HomeGoods is the same thing. So yeah, let's just get right into the video because I'm finally excited to start decorating my house. Actually, like, I'm gonna actively try to decorate. So let's get into it. Okay, so the first thing that I'm gonna start with is not the wall. Actually, it's gonna be bathroom stuff. So my guest bathroom looks like nothing. Like, I don't even know. Cat, I know she's gonna be there. I gave her a bath earlier, so I would rather her just not do the most, but she probably will. So, and you can't even really see her, which is cool. So I'm gonna start off. Okay, so I just literally took them out the bag. I haven't properly taken care of them, but I got this little dispenser thing here, like to put like cotton balls in for your guests. It's a little deep. Oh, and it even has a mirror on the inside, so it's like literally here and then it's like here. So I don't know, I love mirrored items. So this is the inside. It's actually pretty deep, and I'm super excited for this because it's super cute. And then I also got like a bedazzled soap thing, as you guys see here. So I got this little soap dispenser because like I'm gonna go with like glam theme for my house. So then the set has this little rhinestone bedazzled like little tray that I'm gonna put some cute trinkets like in, so that they have like cute stuff on this. Oh, I guess I should tell y'all prices. So this was $16.99. $16.99. $9.99. And that tray didn't even have a price on it. I think it may have been $19.99 or $16.99, one of the two. So there's that. And then I got these marble looking hangers for my shower curtain hooks, because the shower curtain that's up there is hideous. And this was $6.99. And I'm gonna go with gray and light blue. So I got this and it was 20 bucks, just a shower curtain. And I already have the lining. So, and I thought that this would be cute because it ties into my master bedroom, even though it's like across the hall. Anyway, I just want all of my home to tie into each other, like yeah. So I got this shower curtain, and I got a shower rod because it's silver, and the one I have up there was just temporary, so it's gotta go. So yeah, I bought that. Okay, so moving on to more of the like decor, like down here in the living room area. I actually got this like Vogue book, and I don't know why, because it's green. And so I don't know how I'm gonna tie this in, but I want this Vogue book because I have others in my Amazon cart that are, I have a Chanel book coming that's in black, and another one that I can't remember that's in my cart too. So hopefully they all like just go together, but I plan on just like using this as like something on my coffee table. Okay, so I got this for 25 bucks. And before we get to the wall, I also got this like lamp, because this type of thing is like my thing. Like it matches over there. And it is gold, and throughout my house I have like silver and gold. So yeah, I don't quite know where I'm gonna put this, but it says it's real marble. It has real marble on here. You see that? We don't know now. I don't know. I'm not sure. But this was 40 bucks. So I got one of these. And I don't know where I'm gonna put it. I just got it. There was another one over there, but I didn't think I needed two, so. We'll see. If not, I'm gonna go back and get the other one, like this week. Because as y'all know, Homegoods, if you don't grab it right then, it's gone. So yeah, now I want to move on to the wall. So yeah, I got this like big piece here. Whoa. Sorry, y'all. And it was 40 bucks, and it's black and gold. And it gives like texture to me. Like I feel like this is just gonna give me texture. So, yeah, I got that. We're gonna organize over here to see where it will go. And then I also got, stand by. Okay, so then I got this cute like little set here, and it comes with 5 pieces in total, 2 4x6, 2 5x7, and 1 8x10. And the 8x10 actually has like a little shelf thing in it for like whatever you want to hang on it. So I actually have already unboxed it, and here are the 2 8x10s. You can either make them straight up or whatever, like this if you want. I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but yeah, I have 2 of those. And then 2 of my 4x6. And then here's my 8x10, and it has like a little place to store like little flowers or whatever. So I don't know what I'm gonna put in there yet, but that's that. And so I'm excited because like it's giving my wall depth. Like it's not just all pictures, like going up my stairway is all just pictures. So hopefully I have some good ones, like some good photos that I can print and put into here. So hopefully it turns out well. But I also got this, the Homegoods in Bellevue never disappoints. Like that Homegoods is the truth. It's the best Homegoods in Middle Tennessee, hands down. Okay, so then I got 2 other pieces, and this, you know that little line, right as you go to check out, and it got all that stuff in there that you really don't need, but you pick up and put in your cart. Yeah, so I got this, and I know that it's silver, but hopefully it will like go into my wall because like I said, other things around my house is like silver and gold. So I have this. And then I also bought this one, super cute. Oh, and this one's $12.99, and then the other one is also $12.99. So these 2 are $12.99, and I think I told y'all that the 5 thing was $39. $29, actually. And then we'll come back in. And then the last thing that I got is this Chanel shoe. This is like literally perfect. Like I have Chanel, I have Christian Louboutin. So obviously like it made sense to grab it. Like I didn't even think about this twice. So yeah, it was 25 bucks. So that was everything for the haul. Let's get into decorating and putting everything on the wall and see.